If you like Fox bodies, this is the channel for you, but normally we're talking about Fox body Mustangs, but check it out, guys. Today we've got an 85 Capri right here on the channel. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and guys, we're still at Pitts. We still got all kinds of Mustangs here, but we're actually with a vendor at Pitts today, longtime friend of the channel, Mad Maxine. You should know him. He's not Mad Maxine, but anyway, Brent, welcome to the channel.
Hey guys.
Welcome back, I guess.
Yes, welcome back.
Yeah, Hicks House videos.
Been on many videos.
Many videos, yeah. If you guys remember, comment down below if you remember this when the oil filter fell off. The oil filter fell off.
Yes.
In Brent's driveway.
Yep.
We don't want to know how the driveway's doing because I still feel bad.
Oh,
anyway,
it's good.
It's good, all right. He said it's good.
We were supposed to do the video that day.
We were actually, yeah, guys. Yeah. We were supposed to shoot the video on this car back then. What was that? That's over a year ago. It's been a while. Yeah. Been a while. I couldn't even walk back then. Do you remember my back?
Oh yeah, your back was all jacked.
Yeah, that was like my back. I could barely walk. And anyway, we're doing a lot better. But
yeah, we're good.
Today we are going to do the video on the Capri. So it's an 85 Capri. Now, whose car is this actually? Because well, we also got Monica right there.
Yeah. Monica drives it more. Yeah. It's ours.
It's ours. Okay.
But yeah, she drives it when we go somewhere. And I drive the Mustang. She drives the Capri.
Yeah.
And she helps with it. I mean, it was a collaboration between us both.
Yeah. Yeah, you had a lot to do with the interior, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we're going to get into that, but let's start out with the exterior. So this, we're looking at a wrap, right? Two-ton wrap.
Yep. We did the interior first, and we actually wrapped it to match the interior. It's black underneath, black and gray. So
it was two-tone.
It was two-tone from the factory, yes.
And it's a RS. Basically, you were telling me what? That's the GT version.
That's the GT version in Mustang world.
Okay. So was it originally a 5-speed or?
Yes. It's 5.0 5-speed car, carbureted. We have changed the carburetor just because the other one was old. I like the Holley double pumper carburetor better. It's a little smoother. We put headers on it and exhaust, but we're talking about the outside. Sorry.
All right, that's fine. Actually, you know what? I just realized I should give him a walk around the car. So let me do a little cinematic, and then we'll get back under the hood for you guys. Okay, so there you go, guys. Walk around the car. Brent did go ahead and pop the hood. Now, Brent, one of the things is, would you call this a budget build, kind of?
Anything I do, I try to do it on budget. I always try to find a deal because I don't mind using used parts. I don't mind refurbishing used parts. I buy new when I need to, but yeah, I don't mind refurbishing used parts. And I've always been a used, like, I love going to the junkyard.
Yeah, but you can't find this stuff in the junkyard anymore.
Not much anymore, no.
Yeah. So you said basically it's still pretty much stock 302, right?
Stock 302, and we put a new carburetor on it.
You just said it was a
Holley double pumper.
Double pumper,
It's like the Brawler.
How many CFM is that? Do you remember?
It's a 650. Found it in the clearance on Holley.
In the clearance section.
Clearance section. I got it for $250. They're normally like $600.
Wow.
Somebody had sent it back. The choke thing was broke on it, but
I bet they're even more now with the way inflation is.
Yeah.
You do have exhaust as well, right?
It's got the old exhaust actually off the Mustang when it had.
Oh, really? Because Mad Maxine's got the long tubes. So these are what, shorties?
No, they're long tubes.
Oh, they're long tubes as well.
Okay. Mac long tubes.
Mac.
My mom bought these for me Christmas of '95.
No way. That's before you had the car, wasn't it?
No, when I had the car.
Okay.
I bought it in summer of '95.
Mad Maxine, guys, we're not talking about the Capri, because you had the Capri, you bought that 2019 or?
About 3 years, I think. Yeah, 2019,
Yeah. Okay, so it's still got the headers that your mom got from 95.
Yep.
H-pipe or X-pipe?
X-pipe. Borla something of mufflers.
Okay, Borla mufflers. Yeah. So guys, pretty much stock under here.
The new caster camber.
Oh yeah, yeah. So what are we in coilovers or what are we on?
Let's put UPR coilovers on it.
Okay.
And Strange adjustables.
And these are UPR caster camber plates. What about in the back? We on coilovers in the back too?
J&M Products weight jackers.
I'm not familiar with that.
It runs the factory coil spring, but it's got an adjuster underneath it, so you can crank it up and down like a coilover.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's still like a spring style setup.
Yeah, it's still got the factory coil spring, but with a 1/2-inch adjustable ratchet. 1/2-inch ratchet, you can just turn it up and down.
I like the ride stance you got on right now. It's
Yes.
a good stance. And the recent thing you did to it was these wheels. I guess you did a 5-load conversion,
We did
right?
a 5-load conversion with an 8.8, Cobra brakes front and back, and we also did Cadillac Brembos on the front.
Brembo's in the front, yeah, and that's where you got the Capri they saw in the cinematic that
Yes.
Tom Sinnis Built did.
Yes.
These are BBS. What kind of wheels are no? So ESR.
ESR.
Did they just call it ESR? Is there a name for
These
them?
are.
Because everybody always asks me. That's the biggest thing
Yeah.
on the Mad Maxine video. Like, what kind of wheels is that? So you have to explain the wheels
I know
right now.
Those are the ESR Series 1s.
Okay, I tell you what. Let's
I'll
do
send
this.
you the info.
Yeah, we'll put it up on the screen. We
Yeah.
think it's ESR 4 stars maybe, but we'll put it up on the screen here because I know they're going to ask Brent.
Yeah,
they're
yeah.
Gonna...
But they're 18-10.5s in the back.
10.5. Oh, I thought it was 10.
Yeah.
Okay.
Capri flare. I had to put some extra meat on there.
Yeah, because Capris are a little different, and the other Capri we have on the channel was not the bubble hatch. So the bubble hatch started what, 83?
Yeah, 83, the bubble hatch started. Yes.
Okay, all right, 85. So almost 86 was last year, right?
Yes.
That they made. Let's go ahead and look in that interior.
Okay.
In fact, we'll get in the car and it'll help with some of the sound too. All right, yeah. So interior and look at the seats. It's a little dark, but I've never seen seats like this in a Fox.
They actually came from TMI. You can order them
Really?
custom colors from TMI.
And you did this first before you did the wrap.
We did the interior first, and I actually ordered these first so I could match the interior dye to the seats because I knew.
Was it originally green interior? No,
They never
okay.
made a green interior. This car was originally a gray interior car. Obviously, they never made one, and I just wanted a green interior because we're doing like a Euro feel on this car.
I love it. It feels very Euro.
Yeah.
It kind of reminds me of like the vacation movies, like that
Yes.
car, you know?
The family truckster.
Yeah, it does.
Yes.
It does. So you dyed all this. It looks good.
I put a new dash in it because the original one was cracked. This is actually a red dash. So
What? Oh, is it? Okay, it was. Yeah.
that I actually got from Ben.
Oh, Ben, ODB Capri.
Yep.
That's what it used to be. Ben the Destroyer.
Yep.
And I was just saying a comment on this wheel, and you said it's another deal.
Another deal, Amazon. I couldn't find the one I wanted or a deal on one like I wanted. So I've got this one just for the look. It helps the look of the car. And we wrapped the factory bezel in like a brushed, it's like a brushed steel.
Okay.
I don't remember exactly what finish it is, but.
Well, basically, it looks like the 4i interior. It looks very
it's
much
4i
the-
interior.
Yeah. I didn't realize the Capris were like that. That's cool.
Yeah, in here it's basically exactly the same as a Mustang.
Even the back seat, guys. I know it's a little dark in here, but the back seat's even set up like that. Now, was this Monica's idea to do this?
Yes, I told her I wanted to do something a little different, and we started looking at stuff. And TMI will actually send you samples of colors, which I didn't realize.
Really? I didn't know that.
You just go pick a couple colors. They send you samples, and then you can pick it. It's really not that. It's like $35 more to get this over like a factory pattern seat.
Oh, okay. That's not bad at all.
Not bad at all.
Can we try the map light?
I don't think it works.
It kind of. Oh, it doesn't come on, but.
No, it doesn't come on.
But I mean, you know, it looks cool. All right, found something didn't work.
Yeah. I hadn't made it to that part yet, but
That's all right. You're getting there. One of the things is, guys, on the brakes, you know, you haven't. You still have a little bit of work to do.
yeah,
there,
I still
right?
got to finish it up. Just had to get here, so I got to finish it up. I got a new master cylinder coming. And I got a couple other things to put on. I actually have gauge from Sinnis Built. Gauge.
Oh, really? You got gauges coming. Were they gonna say Capri on them? Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
If they want to see the 5-lug swap and stuff, you did that on your channel,
Yes.
right?
I've done several different videos, like I did, like the rear end part.
Kind of like a how-to a little bit, or
Somewhat, yes.
Okay.
The Brembos definitely is a how-to. That is a really cool upgrade, and it's super simple with this kit you buy from this guy on Facebook. He doesn't have a website. He's just on Facebook.
just on Facebook.
He sells his kit. It makes it so easy.
Okay. Well, check that channel. Check those videos out. We're gonna step back out here now, Brent. I'm gonna out you a little bit over here, but. What happened? They're never going to see it, but it's right. I can't find it today, actually. Oh, right there, maybe?
No. It's right in there.
Okay, all right.
I bumped it, and we had to have it rewrapped.
Yeah.
Just the quarter panel.
Actually, it was kind of cool that I saw that video because, Brent, I still watch your videos.
Okay. Well,
Not all of them, but I still watch some. But yeah, he came out for you and took care of it that day. It's cool, right?
Yeah, he did a good job. I thought it just scratched the wrap, but scratched the paint, so I was feverishly sanding to get so you wouldn't be able to see it through the wrap.
You did good, though. I mean, it came out pretty good.
It left a little bit of a dent, but I made a boo-boo.
It happened. Listen, check out my trunk. Like, So what's your favorite thing about the car at this point?
Right now it's the wheels.
Yeah, I gotta agree.
I couldn't wait to get them.
I mean, I see why. I love them.
I decided on them probably 5-6 months ago, but I do have to say ESR's customer service is top notch.
Is it?
I learned that when I bought the Mustang wheels. So I wanted those gold wheels, but they didn't have the gold wheels that I needed in the lug pattern. They re-drilled them for me and still got them to me in a week.
No way.
From California.
Really?
So these wheels
I know that it's basically custom then.
Yeah, I called on Thursday, ordered these. I had them Tuesday from California. With their customer service, they always answer the phone, they answer questions.
Oh, that's cool.
And they get them in the mail to you.
Well, so the wheels right now.
I'm not sponsored by them by anything, but they're just great.
He's just letting you guys know. I think I might actually look into it. I'm going to do 5-look swap on Nemesis. I'll make you look at a set of wheels.
Yep.
I can't choose these now though. I got to go something different, Brent.
They've got like the monoblock wheels. They have 3-piece wheels. They got whatever you want.
Okay.
Depends on how much money you want to spend. They got them.
I guess today we got to get a deal, right? It's got to be budget. So.
Yeah, I'm the budget guy. So.
Yes, I agree. That's my favorite part. What are your future plans for the Capri, you think?
We're going to drive it this year after we get the brakes fixed. I'm going to add a Carter custom diffuser to the back.
Okay, I love the diffuser because I love your side splitters.
Yeah. This was actually the original. This was the prototype for the 82 because you know this balance is the same as the 82 Mustang GT. This is the prototype that Adam did.
Oh, it's the actual prototype. I didn't realize that. Oh, that's cool.
And while I was there putting it on, he held the side pieces up like, well, I gotta have those now. So I bought those from him. Rear diffuser. And I think that's gonna be it for the year. We got the air conditioning working last year. You can drive it anywhere.
Oh, that's great. Once you get the brakes good, you're good to go.
Yeah, once we get brakes, we're gonna be fine.
So no engine plans. You're just gonna enjoy it and drive it for now.
I mean, I have plans.
Okay. You know what? At this point, we need to go ahead and ask. So, Monica. I love the interior, by the way. Great job with that. I've got 2 questions for you. What's your favorite thing about the car?
Well,
if you could pick one.
Not specifically a thing, but I like the overall comfort level of driving the car.
Yeah?
Like it rides well, the seats are comfy.
It's a lot different than Mad Maxine, right?
It has air conditioning.
You like all the creature comforts.
I like the creature comforts, exactly. I like how put together it is. It's like a whole total package.
Yeah,
the car
and that's because of how you did the interior when I got here, I think.
Yeah, I think so. It has a lot to do with it.
You glad he did the wheels? You like the wheels on it?
I love the wheels.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
I showed them to her before we ordered them. I was like,
okay,
what do you think about these? Because we were originally going to do silver in this same wheel, and they came out with this special edition, bronze champagne or something. And she's like, oh yeah, that's
a good choice.
That's the ticket right there. That's
well, anything else that you want to see done to it? Supercharger? I don't know.
I can't think of anything in particular.
Okay.
Really, I mean.
Wow, I just sounded like Monica. Your voice sounded so much like Brent's when you said Cody.
I just decided I want a Coyote.
Wow, that's a good wife there, Brent.
Maybe after we get some projects.
Yeah, we got some stuff at
sure.
house to do.
Yeah.
Well, that makes sense. I know how that
already
goes.
got the talk. Like we need to cool the car stuff down for a little. We got some dudes.
Well, you got 4 kids at home as well.
We got 4 kids at home.
Yeah, just like me, guys. So that's real. But
well, yeah, we're gonna enjoy it and just
just drive it this year. It sounds
Plan on doing a lot of cruising this summer.
Yeah.
Spring and summer with our
You know,
kids.
we got to get Mustang Week. Then we have the Fox Gathering, and then Foxtoberfest.
Yep. I had a great time at Fox Gathering last year, by the way. So, guys, that was a video that's been on channel. You can see they got shirts here. You guys see a lot of shirts. And look, there's the old wheels right there. So those are cool too.
It's gonna be in September this year, so
okay.
So we won't be freezing.
Yeah, it was kind of cold last year.
It was cold last year.
It was very cold.
Yeah, so thanks for sharing cool pre-with. I'm glad we finally did it. Most importantly, I'm glad that we did it without spilling oil this time. That's the key.
Yeah.
So be sure to check his channel out. Thank you so much, Brent and Monica. Thank you for also being on the channel.
Got it.
And guys, great time out here at Pitts. We're gonna have more videos coming from here, so stay tuned for that. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe to Brent and also hit the like button if you're stopping in for the first time. On my channel, please subscribe, and we'll see you here next time on Gearhead 704. I swear the music just got louder. I swear to God it did. Oh, my back is not a little happy. If you did, please subscribe to Brent. There we go. Blooper Bent. Hello, Bent. Welcome to I'm bent about you. Okay, here we go.